Ready to level up your beard game? We've tested the hottest trimmers of 2025, so before you make your next move, stick around to see which one truly rules the grooming game. Whether you're after a quick touch-up, a full beard transformation, or just want to keep your look sharp on the go, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which trimmer is best for you. Your feedback helps us keep bringing you the best reviews and recommendations. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Wahl Professional Half Pint Trimmer. Let's kick things off with the Wahl Professional Half Pint Trimmer. If you're someone who's always on the move, you know how much space a full-sized beard trimmer can take up in your gym bag or suitcase. That's where the Half Pint 8064-900 comes in. It's a smart pick for travelers and anyone who wants to keep their grooming routine simple and portable. Seamus, a seasoned nomad we spoke to, swears by it for keeping his beard neat without adding extra weight to his luggage. The Half Pint is impressively compact and runs on a single AA battery. That means you don't have to worry about finding an outlet or carrying a travel adapter. Just pop in a battery, switch it on, and you're good to go. Despite its size, the motor is surprisingly strong, and the blades are sharp enough to handle even coarse facial hair. It fits comfortably in your hand and is a great addition to any DOP kit or travel bag. Of course, it's not without its drawbacks. The motor is pretty loud, especially when you're trimming near your ears or neckline. The blade is only about an inch wide, so if you have a full beard, expect to spend a bit more time and make more passes to get everything even. Plus, it comes with limited beard guards, so it's really best for short beards, quick touch-ups, and cleaning up your lip line. Overall, the Wahl Half Pint is ideal for quick trims and travel. It offers a lot of convenience and power in a small package, making it a solid choice for anyone who values portability. Number 2. Wahl Aqua Blade Deluxe Trimmer. Next up is the Wahl Aqua Blade Deluxe Trimmer. If you're looking for a trimmer that can handle just about anything, this one's worth a look. The Aqua Blade is the cordless, waterproof version of the popular Wahl Lithium Ion plus stainless steel trimmer. It comes with 9 guide combs, so you can easily maintain your beard at any length, whether you like it short and tidy or a bit longer and fuller. During our testing, the Aqua Blade stood out for its sharpness, durability, and comfort. It's easy to use whether you're trimming at the sink or in the shower thanks to its waterproof design. This trimmer also includes 3 detachable heads: a nose and ear trimmer, an eyebrow trimmer, and a small electric shaver. The shaver head is narrow, which makes it great for detailing and precise touch-ups in small areas. However, if you're trying to shave larger areas like your neck, you'll need to make more passes, which could be a downside for those with sensitive skin. What really sets the Aqua Blade apart is its versatility. You can use it wet or dry, and the multiple attachments make it a true all-in-one grooming tool. If you want a trimmer that can handle everything from your beard to your eyebrows, this is a great option. Number 3. Wahl Lithium Ion plus stainless steel grooming kit. Now, let's talk about the Wahl Lithium Ion plus stainless steel grooming kit. This trimmer is a real workhorse and delivered close, precise trims on all beard types during our test. It's easy to create sharp, clean lines, and the powerful motor combined with sharp steel blades makes freehand shaping on fuller beards simple and effective. One thing that really makes this trimmer stand out is its versatility. Unlike most trimmers, which lack adjustable handles for blending, this cordless model comes with 12 guide combs and a 10-position adjustable guard. That means you can cover every beard length and fading need, from stubble to a full, thick beard. The included rotary ear and nose trimmer, brow detailer, and shaver head are practical extras that add real value to the kit. It's also built to last. The trimmer is durable enough to withstand a few knocks, and the thoughtful accessory kit is perfect for anyone who can't always make it to the barber. The included pouch keeps everything organized for travel, so you're always ready to groom on the go. One thing to keep in mind, this trimmer isn't waterproof, so it's not designed for use in the shower. Still, for versatility, power, and convenience, it's a top choice for at-home grooming, and easily one of our favorites. Number 4. Remington MB4700 Smart Beard Trimmer. Moving on to something a bit more high-tech, we have the Remington MB4700 Smart Beard Trimmer. This trimmer looks futuristic, and it works that way too. Instead of juggling multiple beard guides, it uses a single adjustable guard and a blade that moves up or down with each tap on its touchscreen controls. With 175 length settings, adjusting in tiny 0.1mm increments, you get precise control for trimming anywhere from 0.02 inches to just under an inch. While it's not ideal for those who want a long, rugged beard, it's perfect for anyone who prefers a neat, short style and wants to easily fade to the neckline. Plus, it can save up to 4 custom lengths in its memory, so you can quickly switch between your favorite settings. The MB4700 offers up to 50 minutes of cordless use per charge and adapts its blade speed to your beard's thickness for efficient trimming. USB charging makes it travel-friendly, and it's fully washable for easy cleaning. The main downside? The touchscreen can be a bit finicky, especially with wet hands. For a device often used around water, a simpler mechanical system might be more reliable. Still, for tech lovers who want precision and convenience, the MB4700 is a standout choice. Number 5, King C Gillette Beard Trimmer PRO with 40 beard length settings. Last but not least, we have the King C Gillette Beard Trimmer PRO. Procter & Gamble, the parent company of both Gillette and Braun, brings their expertise together in this trimmer. It features 2 beard guides and offers 40 adjustable length settings, giving you plenty of control over your grooming routine. It comes with a cleaning brush and is washable under the tap, making maintenance simple. The included carry case is a thoughtful touch, keeping all accessories organized for travel. The adjustment wheel is clearly labeled and easy to use, but beard clippings can get trapped underneath, making it a bit tricky to clean thoroughly. Price-wise, the King C Gillette costs nearly double our previous best value pick, the Conair Beard and Mustache Trimmer. However, it delivers more cutting power and can be used cordlessly, which adds to its convenience and performance. Despite the higher price, the King C Gillette Beard Trimmer stands out for its power, versatility, and travel-friendly design. If you're looking for a reliable trimmer with premium features, it's well worth the investment. So, which trimmer takes the crown? For unbeatable versatility and power, the Wahl Lithium Ion plus Stainless Steel Grooming Kit is our top pick, delivering pro-level results right at home. Trust us, your beard will thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.